Go to Tools and open Report Settings. This form has two tabs, Settings for the current file and Settings for new files. Let's start with Settings for new files. This section is about the font and the file format. This setting determines whether the selected drawing views are combined onto one page or are on separate pages. This controls whether the calculations are in one column or two. This changes the report from detailed, which includes the calculation steps, or concise. Upload your company logo here. This header information will be applied to new files. Let's close this form and design a new file to see the report. Open the Report tab and notice that the header information is here. Project name, number, and engineer. The page numbers will only appear on the actual PDF. There are currently two drawing views selected, and they will be combined onto one page when printed. Add more drawing views here. Let's say the report needs to be different for this file. Open Report Settings, this time using the tab for the current file. Let's deselect the combined drawing views, add calculations in two columns, change the report to concise, and update the header wording. The project name and number are updated. The drawing views will print on separate pages. And the report is now concise, which only includes the design checks. Now open a new file to go back to the original settings. The wording, drawings, and detailed format are back to the settings for new files. The calculations will only be displayed in two columns on the actual PDF. Descon automatically arranges the callouts and dimensions focused on being legible and compact. However, if any modifications are needed, simply open the Drawing tab just before printing and drag the dimension or callout. The arrow can also be moved and will always be pointing to the correct connection element. Descon has many formatting options for the report, allowing the engineer to present the calculations with speed and accuracy.